Go. Okay. Hello everybody, this is Henry. Say hello Henry.
Oh, hello Henry, Dolly.
We went for a trip last weekend, didn't we?
Yes, we went for a lovely trip down the south coast, just north of Wollongong. That was a difficult word to say, wasn't it?
No, I don't think you said it all right.
Thank you very much. That sounds like Elvis Presley, doesn't it?
Now don't get distracted.
Why?
No. We went for a lovely weekend down the south coast, just north of Bulli, and we took a video for you.
Yep, we flew the drone, didn't we? Yep, yeah we did.
And we had a lovely day, and we also went down to the Seacliff Bridge. We took a video of that one.
Yeah, Seacliff Bridge, I like that part when you flew out over the ocean.
Yeah, we had a lovely time, didn't we?
Yeah, I really enjoyed it. Didn't feed me though. Ada says you don't feed people.
Now you keep quiet.
Why?
Okay, anyway, we'd like to show you the video now, okay, and I hope you enjoy it, okay? Say bye-bye, Henry.
Bye-bye, Henry.
Now, say bye-bye to the people.
Bye-bye, everybody. Bye.
Bye-bye, everybody, and I hope you enjoy the video. Bye. Well, hi, everybody. This is the lovely Sublime Point lookout. This is where Henry and I spent the other weekend. It is a beautiful spot to go to with tremendous views, as you can see. And there's the restaurant who very kindly let me use their park. And we had a lovely time. The weather was great, not much wind around, but there was a telephone pole which interfered with the navigation of the drone to start with. But we're just sending the drone out over the cliff. And Sublime Point Lookout actually offers a 180-degree view over the sea, the rainforest, and as you will see in a moment, 17 beaches that span the coastline down to Wollongong. Isn't it a tremendous view? I love it down there. You can see the beaches that they're all down there, I think it is. And yeah, it was great. A bit nervous going out there, but it was really a lot of fun. There are a few walking tracks around, not many, but there is one walking track which you can access from that park where I am, and a few walks that link the coastal footlines and the plateau. And actually very few of the tracks actually ascend the escarpment because of its steep terrain and high rainfall, which makes it prone to rock falls, landslip and erosion. But the walk that goes down from the path, it is only for fit walkers because there are a lot of ladders and things to help you get down there. Oh well, we'll then go on down. We're going to go down further right by the beach in a moment and film the bridge, which is quite exciting. I'll tell you about a little bit about the discovery of coal and how it was made down there way back a long time ago. Okay then, let's go down to the Rockcliffe Bridge. Well, here we are at Seacliff Bridge, which is a balanced cantilever bridge which cost $52 million to build, and it features 2 lanes of traffic, a cycleway and a walkway. The bridge is a feature of the scenic Lawrence Hargrave Drive. It is also quite historical because coal was found here in 1797 by some sailors when they lit a fire, and because their ship had gone aground in Bass Strait. Their ship, the Sydney Cove, had been beached in February 1797 on an island in Bass Strait. William Clark and 16 others set off in a longboat for Sydney. The longboat was lost in heavy seas, and they managed to work their way up on foot to this area where they found the coal. 2 of them went on to Sydney and reported the discovery to Surgeon Bass. Bass confirmed in his report the presence of a coal seam 20 feet above the high water level at Coal Cliff. He also found on shore nearby the blood-stained clothing and bones of the 3 exhausted men left behind. Despite the discovery, the difficult access to the area prevented the development of a mining industry in the area for many years. but it is a lovely place to visit. And you can think of those poor fellows back in that time. Well, we had a lovely day, Henry and me, and I hope you've enjoyed the video. Okay, so it's bye bye from me. Okay, cheerio.